Hospitals and relevant authorities across Punjab have been directed to strengthen fire safety measures and conduct fresh audits of arrangements at healthcare facilities. The directives were issued after a deadly fire at Islamabad's Pakistan Institute of Medical Sciences or PIMS killed 14 infants on Wednesday. The fire broke out on the third floor of the Mother and Child Hospital's ward, with preliminary details indicating that a spark in an air conditioner led to the blaze. Following the incident, the Punjab Healthcare Commission issued urgent directives for public and private hospitals across the province. The Commission directed health departments, the Punjab Emergency Services Department, and hospital administrations to immediately ensure comprehensive arrangements for dealing with fire and other emergencies. Hospitals have been told to ensure trained personnel, functional emergency equipment, adequate resources, and regular emergency drills. They must also comply with the prescribed minimum service delivery standards, including requirements under the Facility Management System and Hospital Infection Control. Hospital administrations were directed to establish emergency codes, including Code Red for fire incidents, maintain functional firefighting equipment, train staff, and develop standard operating procedures for emergencies. They were also told to prominently display emergency exit maps and obtain the required building safety and fitness certificates. The Punjab Emergency Services Department has been asked to inspect hospitals under the Punjab Community Safety Act 2021 and the Punjab Community Safety Buildings Regulations 2022. Fire safety audits of all public and private hospitals have also been ordered without delay. Hospitals found to be non-compliant are to receive inspection reports with recommendations for improvement, while details of such institutions will be shared with the Punjab Healthcare Commission. Rescue authorities have also been asked to provide details of hospital inspections carried out over the past 3 years, including facilities that fail to meet statutory requirements. Meanwhile, Punjab Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz ordered a fresh audit of fire safety arrangements at hospitals across the province and sought a report within 24 hours. Deputy commissioners were directed to immediately assess the availability and functionality of fire extinguishers and firefighting arrangements at public sector health facilities. Inspection teams were also told to assess emergency exits and their accessibility in consultation with Rescue 1122 teams. Mariam also directed Rescue 1122 to review the availability and functionality of hydrant points at health facilities and identify locations where new hydrants are needed. The relevant departments were instructed to complete rectification and new installations within a week.